likely after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Chance of rain 60%. Thursday, partly cloudy. A chance of shower. Highs in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night and Friday, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 40s. Highs in the upper 50s. Friday night and Saturday, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Highs in the upper 50s. This is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southeastern DeSoto, south-central Red River, west-central Natchitoches, and northern Sabine parishes through 11:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:12 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Zwolle, or 29 miles northwest of Anacoco, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down trimmings and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include
turn left at the traffic light, then exit right.
Pleasant Hill, Noble, Fisher, Rogaline, Parhantock, Lake Kent, Evelyn, Belmont, Hedda, Montville, Rambin, Hagewood, Armistead, and Ajax. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, west central Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Shelby County, northeastern Sabine County in eastern Texas, until midnight Central Standard Time. At 11:15 p.m. Central Standard time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Millen, or 27 miles southeast of center, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Millen, Manny, Zwolle, Converse, Oak Grove, Pleasant Hill, Noble, Rogaline, Sexton, Belmont, Pelican, Toledo Bend Reservoir North, Marthaville, Ramblin, and Ajax. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Central Standard Time Sunday for the following parishes in Louisiana: DeSoto, Natchitoches, and Sabine, and the following counties in Texas: Sabine and Shelby. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DeSoto Parish in northwestern Louisiana, west central Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Sabine Parish in northwestern Louisiana.
You are my sunshine on a rainy day. You are the one who takes my breath away. In the vast skies of love, I'm free. As long as you're here with me. I surrender my heart. I was yours from the start. Together we will be stronger than all. We can sway but never fall. You are my sunshine on a rainy day. You are the one who takes my breath away. In the vast skies of love, I'm free. As long as you're here with me. Sunshine, hey, you are my sunshine, sunshine, sunshine.
At the top of the hour, hit Monroe. Hit Monroe. Hit midnight. Around the local area at midnight, in Shreveport, cloudy and 61. Wind south at 12 miles an hour. And at Alexandria, cloudy and 65 degrees. Wind southwest at 5 miles an hour are indicated. Impact, minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Monroe, Swartz, and Millhaven. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. You're listening to your weather radio, station WXJ96, broadcasting in Monroe on 162.55 megahertz. Be sure to check us out on Facebook. Here's a look at local weather conditions as of midnight. At the top of the hour, at Monroe. At Monroe. At midnight. Around the local area at midnight, in Shreveport, cloudy and 61. Wind northwest at 3 miles an hour. El Dorado, mostly cloudy and 57. Wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. Greenville, fog and 55. Wind calm. Vicksburg, heavy rain and 64. Wind calm. Jackson, mostly cloudy and 64. Wind south at 12 miles an hour. And at Alexandria, cloudy and 65 degrees. Wind southwest at 5 miles an hour. Elsewhere across the four-state region, over at DFW Airport, mostly cloudy and 50. Oklahoma City, partly cloudy and 37. Little Rock, cloudy and 52. Baton Rouge, clear and 62. And at Houston, a thunderstorm and 64 degrees. For the most current information, check us out on the web at www.weather.gov/shb. Now let's check on your local forecast. Rest of tonight, thunderstorms likely. Showers likely. Lows in the lower 50s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming northwest. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers with isolated thunderstorms in the morning. Cooler with highs in the lower 60s. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Sunday night, mostly clear. Cooler with lows around 8. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Monday, partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs around 60. East winds around 5 miles per hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Light and variable winds. Tuesday to Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. Lows in the lower 50s. You're listening to your weather radio, station WXJ96, broadcasting in Monroe on 162.55 megahertz. Be sure to check us out on Facebook. Here's a look at local weather conditions as of midnight. At the top of the hour, hit Monroe. Hit Monroe. At midnight. This is NOAA Weather Radio, station WXJ96, operating on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, providing the latest weather information on a 24-hour basis. Broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service office in Shreveport, Louisiana. Please visit us online at weather.gov/SHB. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter at NWS Shreveport. Here is your area's open water boating forecast. Wind gusts may be higher. Rest of tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. West wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Sunday, cloudy with slight chance of showers and isolated thunderstorms in the morning, then partly cloudy in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. North winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Sunday night, mostly clear. Cooler. Lows around 40. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday, becoming mostly cloudy. Highs around 60. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Monday night, becoming partly cloudy.
felt the air heat up on that one. That was pretty close. This morning. Answer. Ooh, hello. Beautiful. Hi. Oh, I'm fucking awesome. I got a massive thunderstorm. Like massive thunderstorm. I'm really looking forward to edit this shit later because I'm pretty sure I got one with a semi-truck right as it was going by. I'm at a rest area east of Jackson, Miss. I've been sitting here. Well, it was supposed to be a 30-minute break. I've already been sitting here for about an hour, mainly because I just didn't want to drive into hell. I mean, the storm that I already drove through, it popped up to me while I was taking my 30. So I just stayed sitting here. Torrential rain, very bright lightning that just makes it hard to see. So I said I would just sit here a little while, let it move on or dissipate or do something, but so far it's giving me one hell of a good light show that I've been filming. Well, you know that lightheaded feeling you get when the atmosphere gets ionized with massive... Yep, I've been feeling that real lightheaded kind of spinny feeling for the last little bit. And with my window partially down, some of these I have felt the atmosphere heat up. That one. I'd like to give this a little more time to calm down. I I got to go, so I'm probably just going to drive right into the ass end of it. It just went by me. I'll probably drive right into the back side of it and punch through the core again, which is what happened earlier. I punched right through the middle of it. Massive lightning in this thing. Holy crap. Beautiful. Kind of stuff I love to film. This is the second time when I went through Monroe, between Shreveport and Monroe.
It's a coat of many colors. It is never black and white. Can't have one without the other. The dark without the light. In the summer we were lovers. With a flame our hearts would burn. A flame the autumn would smother. And leave this heart to yearn forever blue, forever blue. I'm putting on a show for the world to see. No one will ever know that without you I'm forever blue.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, do me a favor. Hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you.